What's up, crypto legends? In this episode, we are taking a look at the price of Bitcoin on the higher time frames because yes, we are at a crucial level. We are just about to test the April highs right over here as a back test because we did fail to break so here in July, and we could be back testing this level to create a lower high right there, a head and shoulder structure, and start correcting very aggressively. This is definitely a possibility, so we want to be ready for a possible trading plan that we're going to talk about in this episode, guys. I'm going to talk about two trading plans, a possible short and a possible long, what have been the opportunities in between yesterday and today, and which has been the opportunity that has been taken in the Legends trading community, guys. Long in here from the $30,400, basically the local bottom SFP here, holding that old monthly level, getting this rise to our first take profit one. This is going to be explained in today's episode, but most importantly, what are the next levels to pay attention for our next trading opportunity with great risk management, guys. So make sure to stay tuned. Hi there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode, guys. Let's dive in right away. Bitcoin just about to backtest the April high right over here. We love backtesting levels because they are levels that we could potentially reject from. I'm going to talk about a trading plan here in the next coming minutes because this can be a head and shoulder structure right over there, or the top of the ABC wave, right? This is the top of the B wave, and we could be correcting down here in the coming weeks. Now, of course, we need to see that level rejected. We're going to talk about a trading plan here. Very exciting trading plan. If that trading plan doesn't happen, of course, and we blast through the level, no shorts will be taken, and we'll be taking a look at this high over here. How is this high going to perform? Is it going to be a successful breakout? Are we going to reject from this point? Obviously, that is going to be talked about in this episode, of course, on the higher time frame. Guys, I want to let you know that if this video gets over 1,000 likes and you comment down below, you are eligible for a Trezor hardware wallet giveaway, guys. So smash up that like button if you want to be inside of this giveaway of the hardware wallet. You just need to comment down below as well. I'll be picking a random comment if this video gets over 1,000 likes. Now, right away, diving into this scenario, guys. We're just about to hit the April highs, which is sitting at $31,050 on the Coinbase chart. Very interesting level for a possible back test, okay, and potentially failing to move higher from that level. It is also the 0.88 Fibonacci. It's the ultimate level to hold, okay, looking at Fibonacci numbers, because if this level is broken, obviously we would be expecting a new yearly high, okay? So it's the ultimate level of resistance where the price should reject if we want to see that move to the downside. Then obviously if we do hit this level, we are looking also for a rejection at this point. Why? Because basically, we can see the lower highs right over here from May. They are very close to that high over here. Of course, it is a pump of over $600-700. However, we would be looking at how the price is going to react at these lower highs from May, because I would be ready as well to see that rejection to jump into a short scenario. So those are the main levels here that I'm looking at. Backtest of this level that can be internally a swing failure pattern here, a double top on the lower time frames. This will be explained on the lower time frame chart, obviously, where I do have all of these levels. I'm going to talk about, of course, yesterday. We talked about a level of resistance that could happen yesterday. We did get a reaction. It was this point over here. However, the price blasted through, created another high, as you can see. So we did get a small reaction from this level at 29,999. It was this level over here, expecting to get a rejection at that level. We did actually reject. However, we had a massive blast through. So what happened next? I did not trade any of this. I did not get into any of these great trading opportunities that happened overnight here, Central European time. We basically had a swing failure pattern from the highs created from the ETF fake pump. We can see the high right there being retested at 3 o'clock in the morning Central European time. That was actually a pretty good short position here of a drop of a few $100s. But then what happened is we did get the successful breakout, as you can see on the chart. So very hard, obviously, to try and detect a short position here. You're basically testing the highs, and then you get this corrective move on the lower time frames. There was actually a great shorting opportunity here where we had the breakdown, okay? We had a move down here with significant high volume here. You can see right there, this move to the downside with this red spike. We had a consolidation. Then we had another move down with high volume, back testing the level, coming straight back down to this level. So I missed out on this short position as well. However, me and the legends managed to get into a long position at this level, basically testing this low. This was provided early this morning for that setup, and that was basically testing the lows right there, looking for a test of the lows, double bottom, swing failure pattern to have this rise to get above 30,600 and 700 range. Really nice trade setup. The only trade I managed to get in today, I'm sharing my P&L from the day. I'm sharing also that position from today. We're getting some people actually jumping into that long position as well. So if you want those daily updates, if you want those scalping opportunities, you wanted me to help you out, I'm sharing my trade setups, okay? You want to join the Legends community, guys, it is down below in the description, the third link down below. If you want to join the most active scalping day trading community that there is out there. I am happy with just taking 1 or 2 trades a day if I can get that 1% P&L for the day. If it's 2%, then obviously absolutely phenomenal. So going here, diving in through this scenario, what can we expect here for the price of Bitcoin? One of the main reasons why this level did hold, we got a quick little bounce here just early this morning at $30,450, round about that range. Why did we bounce from that level? Well, basically, this has been the monthly level where we did reject with the ETF massive big fake pump, okay? So we can see that monthly close and open from June and July. This is why we have this monthly level. When we zoom in here on the lower time frames, what we can see is that we finally broke above the level here with some high volume. So we are detecting the strength. This was a faking out from the high of the ETF pump, getting beneath the monthly. So we can see that rejection, okay, very nicely. And then successfully pumping here with high volume, meaning that this monthly that has provided resistance will likely provide support. This is where we bounced here. This was not an easy long position. Easiest long position was the one provided in the Legends, which was this one, okay? Double bottom and looking for the rise here to these highs, which is a take profit 1. Why is this a take profit 1? I've taken profits here from this long position. It's basically claiming these lower highs over here and also the 618 Fibonacci from the pivot high to the pivot low here. You can see that beautiful test, beautiful level of rejection to take profits if you longed from here, right? Just giving that brief explanation of what's being talked about in the Legends community. So what is the next trading setups? I've been sharing here the P&L, of course. Now I'm using MEXC, guys. MEXC is absolutely great because they have extremely low fees and I'm absolutely loving this platform for my trading, guys. If you are interested in trading, day trading, scalping, and having really low fees, guys, MEXC is definitely an option. You got $20,000 worth of bonus to claim down below in the description. It is the second link. Of course, you do have Bybit, which is one of my favorites. I currently cannot trade on Bybit. If you can trade on Bybit, there's $30,000 worth of bonus. For MEXC, $20,000 worth of bonus, and they have the lowest fees out there, guys. 0.01 on take a fee on futures, which is extremely low, guys. Diving in here, what are the next setups that I'm looking at here? Straight to the point, guys, on Bitcoin. Well, we do have the highs created today, exactly at $30,987. Now, if this high is taken and we reject from it, I could be looking for a possible double top. I am aware that the April highs is just about $60 to $70 away from this high over here. So we could have a rise here and potentially create that back test from the April highs, creating a swing failure pattern from these highs as well. Something that I am looking at here with the Legends community. Of course, there is the possibility of blasting through this level and going to create a new yearly high in the next coming days. I am aware of this situation. Of course, I will be holding part of my long position here from this double bottom. We are in an uptrend, guys, so we are looking to long, we're looking to short. We are scalpers and day traders. I do not only talk about shorts, I do talk about longs as well. Longs and shorts, both at the same time, guys. We are trading the market. So currently in a long position from this point, took some profits at the 618, very much aware of the rise to claim today's highs. How is today's highs going to be claimed? It's a matter of a few hours, guys. Will we reach it or not? How are we going to reach it is the question. Will we blast through the level? If we blast through the level, no shorts will be taken. If we do react at that level with a rejection, would be willing to get into a short position, stop loss above the high, be very defensive. Of course, if we do get that corrective move, stop loss at break even. I'm a very good defensive trader, guys, and this is very important. So that is the level that I'm looking for. If we do reject from it, I would be happy to enter a short position. Take most of the profits, of course, from that long position. If we do reject, if we blast through the level, I would be happy to hold some of that long position, of course, till we actually create a new yearly high, right? So if we do lose the level, I'll be taking the rest of the profits. If we do create that swing failure pattern from these highs and the back test of the April highs, would be willing to jump into short position. It couldn't be as simple as that. And if we do get a movement down here, then it's going to be looking a bit worrying. If we do lose that monthly level, lose this low as well, there is a level that I do think could hold, because the start from the pump since yesterday till today, we have the pivot low right there to the pivot high. We got beautiful 50% Fibonacci holding with this wick. It was also a reason why to long here. And if we were to move down, I'm aware of a possible 3-wave corrective move down to the 618, which would be claiming this low over here. I would be paying attention to see if this level is going to hold. I would want some magic price action here, meaning that I would want a double bottom, or, you know, basically wicking beneath and getting above to jump into along with very good risk management here, because this could be a 3-wave corrective move, and then we are coming back up here to test today's highs. So that is the next level here of interest that I'm looking here with the Legends community. Of course, we already got into a successful long position, which was that $30,400, having a pump here of over $300, enough to take some profits, hold a bit of the position, and just wait for our next levels, okay, of interest, where we would take the next trading decision. That is it, guys, in a nutshell, the levels I am interested. Thank you very much for joining, and I will see you in the next one.